Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm making a quick video about this battery that I picked up off of eBay. It's a $35 gel battery. My original battery that I had in my Honda VTX, I had it for about 3, almost 4 years in this bike, and I never changed it. I've been using a trickle charger to keep it charged through the winter, fall, spring, and summer, but it looked like this summer the battery is at its end. So I picked up this battery that I saw on eBay and decided to give it a try. Normally I never paid this cheap for a battery before, but we'll see how it works. And to let y'all know that I'm not lying about this, this battery is, with tax and everything, $35.16 off of eBay. Normally I pay $100 and something for a battery, but we'll see how this works and see how long it lasts. So let me go on ahead and install it. Oh, and by the way, they said this battery you don't have to charge, you don't have to add no acid or nothing to it. Right out the box, just hook it up and it's supposed to work. We'll see if it happens. Hopefully I didn't waste my $35. Battery's under the seat, so I got the seat off. Now I'm removing the battery cover, and there's the battery. Alright, my old battery is removed. And this is the new battery, how it looks out the box. It's kind of cool looking. But hopefully it works just as good as this old battery. Alright, the new battery fits in perfect. Now just hook up the connections and see what happens. Alright, got the connections back on. I'll put the battery cover on and try to start it. Let's see if I got any juice. All right, my dash lit up.